Timeless and elegant black kitchen taps. Dear friends, without running water, a kitchen isn't a kitchen. The humble tap is an essential component of the functional performance of the kitchen. And with the right design, kitchen taps can also be a key element of the decor. Choosing elegant black kitchen taps is one way to draw attention to these crucial plumbing artifacts. I've compiled a list of benefits and drawbacks, as well as some suggestions, tips, and ideas to help you get the most out of black in the kitchen. Before selecting black, it is advisable to be aware of the advantages and disadvantages of black kitchen taps. Here is an overview of the main points to consider. Pros of black kitchen taps. As a color, black goes with everything. Black is a sleek and elegant color that complements a variety of kitchen designs, such as industrial, modern, and classic. Compared to other metallic finishes, day-to-day maintenance is easier because black hides watermarks and fingerprints more easily. Black taps will complement white cabinets and lighter kitchen worktops. The contrast enhances the designer effect. Cons of black kitchen taps. Although black taps have been popular in recent years, they may become outdated and age a kitchen. The black finish, as everything does, will age and fade over time. Only certain cleaning products are suitable. Nothing abrasive can be used. Too much black can be overkill in the kitchen, so be careful not to overdo it with black. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.